What is going on, folks? I'm going to share some insight on something I've tested myself running six-figure monthly ads for clients. So we've spent 6 figures a month testing this, and I want to share some insight on CBO versus ABO. What are the differences? So when you're running ads on Facebook or Instagram, you're using Meta's Facebook Ad Manager. When you're setting up a campaign, you have two options: conversion budget optimization or ad set budget optimization. A CBO is going to distribute your budget across all of your ad sets. So if you're targeting different groups of people in each ad set, it's going to move the budget automatically across those. ABO is going to move it across all of the ad sets manually. So what you can do is fully control how much budget is going to a specific audience of people, or also how much budget is going to a specific creative. So one mistake people make when they're running an ABO campaign is they do not put one creative per ad set group. So they'll put 5 creatives in an ABO structure, and what's going to happen is it's going to spend $20 a day on that ad set group, running the majority of the budget to one creative, not equally split. So what you do I prefer to do this complete manual. I've seen results much better than on a CBO. With the CBO, you're going to have a lot of slippage, meaning where you're not getting the fully optimized approach to your ads. It doesn't matter how much money you're spending, you will get a better performance on ABO. And what I mean by this is run an ABO, put one creative per ad set, manually control how much money is going to each creative and each audience. By doing this, you're in full control of who's seeing your ads and what ads they're seeing, equally splitting the budget and then scaling the budgets accordingly to what's working. So again, folks, ABO versus CBO. At my agency, we're spending over 6 figures a month per our clients, and we only use ABO, and we're achieving some monumental results. So if you need help with your Facebook ad campaigns, shoot me a DM, follow, whatever the case is. And folks, remember, ABO is better than CBO. You'll be in full control and you'll get better results.